In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add/insert video in Figma. We'll keep this simple and clear, using a plugin-based workflow so you can attach a video link to your design and preview the result with minimal hassle. Before you begin, have your video link ready. YouTube, Vimeo, or a direct MP4 link works best, and make sure you're signed into your design tools so any changes can be saved. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. This is where we'll access the plugin interface that connects your design to a live video element. Once the site loads, look for the Actions option. Think of Actions as the place where you manage integrations and enhance your project with extra capabilities. Click Actions to continue. Inside Actions, choose the Plug-in option. This opens up the area where you can search for and activate tools that add functionality to your workflow. In the search field, type Anima. Anima is a popular bridge that helps bring interactive elements like embedded video into your design flow. Select Anima, then connect your account if you're prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize access. This simply allows the plugin to work properly with your project and won't change your original files. With Anima connected, you'll see a field where you can paste the link to your video. Drop your video URL in here. For the smoothest playback, use a reliable source. A public or unlisted YouTube or Vimeo link, or a hosted MP4 that supports streaming. If a link is private or restricted, update its visibility so it can load during preview. After the link is in place, take a moment to adjust the settings. You can typically set autoplay, loop, mute, and show or hide controls. Match the aspect ratio to your frame and consider muting autoplayed videos if you're presenting to others. When the link and settings look right, click Save. This commits your changes so the video stays connected to your design. Next, click Preview. The preview lets you test the experience as your viewers will see it. Check that the video appears correctly, plays smoothly, and that audio and controls behave the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, tweak the settings or double-check the link and save again. That's it. You've added a video to your design using the plugin workflow. Keep your video links tidy, use web-friendly formats, and preview early to catch any hiccups. Thanks for watching and happy designing.